Hello, I'm Frank Milo, Vice President of Sales at Matrix-NDI. Today I'd like to give you a quick virtual tour of our facility in Plymouth, Minnesota to give you a better feel for what we're all about and the services we provide our clients. Let's take a walk around our building, starting at the front door. I'm all about visualization, so I like to start here in our front room because it's a clear representation of everything that we do here at Matrix-NDI. From the clean cabling, the dressing in of the patch cables, the switches, the data racks, anything in a data center, the cable management, the ladder racks, the wireless access controllers for APs, all the way to the external connectivity, carrier services, circuits, SD-WAN, all of the technology including physical security as well as door access controls. It's all represented here. This next area is our Accounting and Human Resource Department. This is where we manage all of the billing, receiving, anything associated with our customer satisfaction and how we manage their account from an accounting personnel is all done here. The next area is our project management area. This is where we do our national project management. The magic of what we do is to take all that we showed you in that front room and replicate that across all facilities of an organization in the United States. And that leads us into our tech lab and staging area. Here we've got plenty of space where we can stage all of our data switches, security access points, security cameras, door access, any of the technology that we represent is all staged in here. This particular room is a secure storage area. It's separate from our main warehouse. We have several customers and national providers who purchase their own equipment and have it shipped directly to us. And we're able to take that, bring it into the staging area that we just left, bring it back into this area, securely store it, and then ship it out across anywhere in the United States for us to then mount and install it. That brings us to our main warehouse, where we carry all of our critical parts and components for any low voltage application or technology we're deploying. We keep a huge inventory of cable, which is very important right now with all the supply chain issues that we're experiencing nationally. We definitely make sure that we can handle all of our customers' needs. This brings us to our design team area. This is where we're able to put specific designs together. We have several RCDDs on staff, from a cable infrastructure design to planning. So we can take customers' prints, put a design together, get it back to them, and then ultimately put material against that design. Once that is complete, we're able to take it through project completion. The final area on our tour is our briefing center. This is a space where we can show all of our technologies. We can display it on screen. We can put out handsets from any of our UCaaS offerings, go through designs and prints based on our 2 LEDs. This is where we can bring customers in and show them how technology works. Thank you for viewing our virtual tour. We hope it's given you a better understanding as to the services we provide our clients. We understand that everybody's needs are specific to them, and we look forward to having a conversation to how we can tailor make a design and solution specific to you. Please give us a call.